Should we go get a sock, Kion? Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Christina and this is Kion. This is a new series for this channel called Kion's AAC Journey. Sorry about that. We just got something in the mail. This is Kion's new AAC system. This is from Fluentpet. It is their basic vocab kit, and we're gonna do an unboxing today. What do you think, buddy? You ready? Okay, he's ready. But Kion, don't leave. Here, come back, buddy. Well, we have to open the box. Here. Oh. All right, sit. Go, boy. Okay, should we see what's in it? Oh. Wait. Don't go. Okay. All right, so first we have the quick start guide, and this talks about how you set the messages and turn on the switches. Safety information. And these are all the stickers. And they've got a spot where you can write what, a spot where you can write what the switch is going to say. They're just stickers, buddy. Kion's not a fan of plastic. Right? Nope. Okay. And then we've got these tiles. And these tiles go on the floor, and the switches go inside these little spots. They did have another system. Well, no, they had different tiles that were solid colors versus these patterned ones. And I really wanted the solid tiled ones, but they were out of stock. And I think they're going to start switching over to more of the solid tiled ones because they are easier for like site location. Like if you were to turn them all into black and white, it's easier to navigate between the tiles with them being solid colors versus all the different shapes and designs. Okay, this is the best part, buddy. You ready? So this is what it looks like inside. Ooh, I think these are all the switches. I think a lot of people that use Fluentpet call them buttons, so I call them buttons too. Oh my goodness, they're tiny. These are tiny. They're like Kion size buttons. If I can open it. Oh my goodness. Look how tiny that. Oh my gosh, you guys. See that? I don't know if the camera is locking in. It's tiny. What do you think? All right. Let's open up all these buttons. We've got 12 of them. So the basic vocab kit, I think, just came with 12. I think there's 3 kits that they sell. One is like a starter kit, and then I bought like the mid-level kit, and then you can get an advanced kit, which comes with a lot more switches. Look at these, bud. What do you think? Something that I am worried about with this system, and I think that over time Kion will be fine with it. He's very hesitant about things at first. Overly cautious. Like he doesn't know if they're safe to touch or safe to approach. Like some of his favorite toys, he was today, like wouldn't even go near them at first. Almost, 2 more. I am really surprised at how small these buttons are, guys. Did you see him jump? We're working on it, buddy. Hey, don't leave. Hey, Kion. We're almost done. Okay. That is all of them. All right, we have 12 buttons, and we are going to try to activate one of them and insert them in one of these tiles so that you guys can see what it is. Okay. Uh-oh. Where did my... There it is. Wait, Kion. We're almost done. Don't leave. Don't leave. Oh, this is very cool, guys. So this card shows you how to lay out the tiles. And they're arranged by specific categories of language. He's just gonna turn his back to us. He's over it. Okay. So remove the plastic. Easy enough. To record a word, set your button to record mode by sliding the switch on the side of the button to the left. Well, it is to the left. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds until it beeps, and while continuing to hold the button down, say the word or phrase you'd like to record, releasing the button when you're done. Okay, this is very interesting. This is the same way, I'm pretty sure the Little Mac switches, the same way you can program Little Mac switches, which I've used with clients before. It's easy enough, let's hope. Sock. Slide the switch to the right to change to play mode. Sock. Oh, Kion, did you hear that? Sock. One of Kion's favorite things are socks. What word should we do next? Oh, I got a good one. His next favorite word. Play. Play. Do you like that? Play. He loves to play. And when we say play, it typically like to play ball. He loves those big giant bouncy balls. And we call it playing. Play with the ball. He's ready. This is what the buttons look like in the tiles. They just pop out. And in fact, it has reinforced matting on the back, which I really, really like. I think that'll keep them in place longer. Keep them in place better so that they don't fall out. And I'm going to show a clip because my husband came in and picked up a button immediately. I did not have it on recording. I'm so sad. Put the buttons down, activated the play button, and Kion just immediately activated the switch, and I missed it. What about this one here? Sock. What? Kion, come here.
Do you want to...
Hold on. Sock. Oops. So it needs to be...
Do you want to... Oh.
We're trying...
Now push.
Sock. Sock? Should we go get a sock, Kion? Yeah? Okay.
Get a sock. Oh.
Alex is gonna go get it. They'll be back.
We got a sock.
Oh, we already had one.
We got a sock.
And there you go, guys. First attempt is pretty good, but they fall over on the carpet.
Okay, okay.
So they definitely need to be in those tiles. And Kion's paw is, I don't know if you guys could see it, itty bitty. So if he's knocking them over.
You want a sock?
He's so excited.
Okay, okay, there we go, sock, yeah.
Kion, are those your switches? Your buttons? All right, here we go. We have it all set up. And I have 2 extra ones. 2 extra switches in case I need to add some vocab, but. Oh,
Oh, sock? Oh.
okay, we're gonna have to figure out how to not have him freak out. Okay. Baby steps, you guys, baby steps. But I'm so proud of him. How easy was that? See, bud? You're so smart.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got my name,
Christina.
Alex's.
Alex.
We have walk,
Play.
play,
Sock.
sock, which is his favorite.
Yes.
Okay, don't laugh at us.
Wappa wappa ball.
He has a ball, and I think its real name is like Wiggle Waggle or something that it makes lots of fun noise. We've always called it the Wappa Wappa ball, so that's what it's gonna be.
Squeaker.
He has little squeaker toys he loves.
Wicked bone.
He has a Wicked Bone. If you guys don't know what Wicked Bone is, go check it out. He has destroyed so many tires, but he's in love with that toy, so we put it on there. I put on
Bed.
bed
Outside.
and outside.
Outside.
Outside? If you have any thoughts, if you're using this with your dog and you've had success with certain things, please feel free to share in the comments below. I am up for any recommendations, any success stories, any thoughts that people have. I'd love to hear from you guys. So if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with, he's asleep, Kion's journey.